Hey friend, I'm so glad that you are here. Whether you have been invited to join us online or you were invited to an in-person party and maybe you can't come, but this is just a different way for you to just, help your host and participate and then learn about what this Norwex thing is all about. You are in the right place. Welcome. You're exactly where you're meant to be. I am so confident about that. So my name is Evelyn and Evelyn Tribble. And what you're going to find is just a really short, simple shopping experience. It is intended to help you solve real life problems, okay? So especially around your home, whether it's your laundry or just everyday cleaning routines, and then to do it without all that overwhelm and without all that pressure. So here's what makes this whole shopping experience very different from just typical shopping events. It really is not about buying all the things, okay? It's really about finding one or two solutions that will make your life so much easier, so much healthier, and just more efficient. Inside this experience, what you're going to find is just a few featured solutions. We're not giving you the whole catalog, okay? But it is intended to replace multiple products, virtually every single cleaning product that you might have underneath your kitchen cabinet or wherever you put your cleaning, supplies, okay? It's important to understand why fewer, safer tools can actually save you time and money long term, right? And then on top of that, it makes your life so much easier and simpler and just easy pickup, and that's what you want. So it is intended for, just real life family messes that we have every single day. And so we're going to end up using this everyday life. It is an essential product that we already use in our homes. We're just making it safer for your family. Okay. So if you're watching this because your friend invited you, whether it was on online or in-person party, I really encourage you to stay connected with them. And then also message me directly. But your host is going to be your go-to person for questions, recommendations, or support. However, if she's like, oh, if you feel comfortable, talking with Evelyn, like, I'd love to meet you. Come to me and message me directly. No problem. I'd love to. Sometimes your host is actually using this to launch her party, right? Her own business and just be able to create an extra source of income coming in, right? And so she might be feeling like, ooh, this is so new to me, but that's okay. That's why we have me as a support. So either go to her or go to me, whatever you feel comfortable. We're both here to support you, okay? Also, as you browse, take your time. Click what catches your attention. Again, it's just a few things that I put there for you. But if something makes you think, oh, that would help me in my house with, then that's your cue, okay? And just so you know, there's zero pressure here, okay? Some people just show up to shop, right? Some people will bookmark things for later. So as you go into your host shopping link, feel free to heart things and put it in your favorites, right? That way you keep a running actually on the website. You create a customer account. It'll create your running favorites list, right? Super easy to come back to. So just bookmark it for later. Some people end up curious about hosting or even earning their products for free for their home, right? All of it is welcome. Okay. So at the end, if you do have questions or you want help choosing what fits your life best, reach out to the person who invited you, your host, sweet person, right? Or again, just message me directly if that feels easier. I made it super easy at the bottom of the link as well. All right, you go explore, enjoy, and thank you for being here. I'm excited for you. Bye.